What's up, boys, and welcome back to dannyTV. So today we're working on this 2016 F150, and before we get started on the framework, let's go ahead and disassemble the front end. All right, boys, that's gonna wrap it up for the truck. So we got all of the gaps adjusted on the fender and the hood. Got everything installed. He's missing another bracket for the grill to complete the front end, which we have that somewhere. And as soon as he gets that to us, we're gonna throw that on. So we did end up replacing this frame rail up to the factory section here. And that basically, once you cut that weld, this whole frame section kind of pulls out of the seam. Me and my brother didn't actually do the framework, which we were picking up another build for the channel. So I didn't get any of that recorded. But stay tuned, guys. We got some more awesome builds on the way. As far as the Mustang goes, we did get our water pump in, which is right here. This little rascal here was kind of holding us up, so I did have to order that separately, and we got that in. So we will be installing that and finishing up all of our wires and everything like that, and taking this out for our first test drive. All the support is much appreciated. If you are new to the channel, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.